For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Montessori Magnetic Book Fraction Puzzle is an engaging and interactive learning tool designed to introduce children to basic mathematical concepts, especially fractions. This educational puzzle is rooted in the Montessori philosophy, which emphasizes hands-on, self-paced, and practical learning experiences for children. It's particularly useful for kids aged 3 to 8, as it aligns with their developmental stage of curiosity and cognitive growth. What is the Montessori Magnetic Book Fraction Puzzle? The puzzle typically comes in the form of a portable magnetic book containing colorful fraction pieces. These pieces represent parts of a whole, such as halves, thirds, quarters, and more. The magnetic feature keeps the pieces in place, making it ideal for both at-home and on-the-go learning. The book also often includes illustrated guides or charts to help children visualize how fractions work in real-life scenarios. How it helps children learn. Hands-on learning. The tactile nature of the puzzle allows children to physically manipulate the pieces, which enhances their understanding of abstract concepts like fractions. By aligning pieces to create wholes, they can see how different parts combine, reinforcing the concept of addition and equivalency. Visual representation. Fractions are visually represented in the puzzle, making it easier for children to grasp how numbers relate to parts of a whole. For instance, seeing two halves make a whole is far more impactful than simply hearing it explained. Encourages problem-solving skills. The Montessori Magnetic Book Fraction Puzzle encourages children to think critically and solve problems independently. They learn to match pieces, identify patterns, and recognize relationships between different fractions, fostering logical thinking skills. Supports early math education. Introducing fractions at an early age gives children a head start in math. This puzzle serves as an excellent foundation for more advanced topics like division, decimals, and percentages, ensuring they have a solid grasp of the basics. Key features of the puzzle. Durable materials. The magnetic book is designed to withstand regular use, with sturdy magnetic pieces that are easy for little hands to handle. Safe design. The puzzle pieces are typically made from child-safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety during play. Portable and compact. Its book-like format makes it easy to carry, making learning accessible anywhere, whether at home, in a car, or at school. Additionally, its versatility allows it to be used in various learning environments, from classrooms to homes, and even during travel. The interactive nature of the puzzle ensures that children remain engaged, while its educational value ensures they are building essential skills. Conclusion. The Montessori Magnetic Book Fraction Puzzle is more than just a toy, it's an investment in your child's education. By combining play with learning, it introduces essential math concepts in a